Welcome back to Yakni. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about the amazing American Akita dog breed. From their origin and history to their appearance, temperament, and more, I'll be giving you a comprehensive overview of this unique and captivating dog. So let's dive in and explore the world of the American Akita. The American Akita originated from the Akita Inu in the mountainous northern regions of Japan. In fact, Inu means dog in Japanese. This ancient Japanese breed is believed to have descended from a variety of Spitz-type dogs transported from Siberia and China thousands of years ago. The Akita Inu was originally bred to hunt large game like wild boar, black bear, and the Yezo brown bear. Their courageous tracking abilities and muscular build allowed them to keep up with these challenging prey. In addition to being keen hunters, the Akita Inu also served as loyal protectors of their human families. Their alert, watchful nature, and unwavering bravery made them ideal guardians. After World War II, the Akita Inu breed suffered devastation along with most of Japan, but a dedicated effort by breeders helped to resurrect this treasured dog. In 1972, the first Akita was brought to the United States by a returning servicewoman named Helen Keller. This launched the breed's introduction to America. The Akita was accepted into the miscellaneous class of the American Kennel Club in 1955, then finally recognized as a unique breed in 1972. There are now two distinct versions of the Akita, the original Japanese Akita Inu and the American Akita. While quite similar, there are some variations between the two that I'll explain shortly. The American Akita is truly a head-turning canine thanks to their powerful physique and eye-catching appearance. They are a large and sturdily built breed, renowned for their muscular bodies, balanced posture, and substantial bone structure. Male American Akitas typically stand between 26 to 28 inches tall at the shoulder, while females are normally 24 to 26 inches tall. Their average weight is 75 to 120 pounds. The American Akita has a broad skull, triangular ears that stand erect, and a curved, bushy tail carried over their back. Their muzzle is also blunt and broad. Perhaps the most distinguishing feature of the American Akita is their unique coat. They have a dense double coat which is short and soft on the underlayer, and straight, harsh, and standoffish on the outer layer. This dual coat protects them from cold weather and allows them to thrive in even snowy conditions. American Akitas are permitted in any color, including fawn, white, pinto, or brindle. A black mask covering the face is a common trait. When comparing the American Akita versus the Japanese Akita Inu, some notable differences include the following. The American Akita tends to be larger and stockier. The Japanese Akita Inu has a more fox-like face and smaller ears. Japanese Akitas are not permitted to have white coats. Japanese Akitas only come in red, fawn, sesame, or brindle coats. The American Akita has quite a complex personality. They are strong-willed and seriously devoted to their owners. Intensely loyal and affectionate with family is an Akita hallmark. They form extremely tight bonds with their human pack. This loyalty also translates into protectiveness. American Akitas have strong guarding instincts and won't hesitate to put themselves in harm's way to defend loved ones. With the proper socialization and training, the Akita can also learn to welcome friends and guests politely, but they do tend to be naturally suspicious of strangers. The Akita personality is best suited for experienced dog owners who can provide consistent leadership and training. Their intelligence means they need ample mental stimulation as well. American Akitas thrive when they have a job to do. They appreciate having a purpose, whether it's guard duty, hunting, or participating in canine sports. With family, the Akita is playful, patient, and endearingly silly at times, but they can also be stubborn. Keeping training fun and engaging is key to bringing out their best behavior. While devoted to family, the Akita can be intolerant towards other dogs, especially those of the same sex and breed. Caution is also required around small pets that may trigger their prey drive. Despite their thick double coat, the American Akita's grooming needs are relatively minimal. Weekly brushing can help remove loose hair and distribute skin oils, Bathing only needs to be done on an as-needed basis, which for most Akitas is just a few times a year. Their nails should be trimmed regularly to avoid cracking or splitting. Teeth brushing 2 to 3 times per week is also advised. American Akitas are average shedders. They blow their coat once or twice per year, which results in heavier shedding during that time. Regular vacuuming and brushing will help keep loose hair under control. In terms of exercise needs, American Akitas require at least 60 to 90 minutes of vigorous activity per day. Long walks, hiking, running, and swimming are great outlets for expending their energy. Mental stimulation through play, training, and puzzles is also essential. An understimulated Akita can become boring and destructive. Speaking of training, early socialization and obedience training is strongly recommended for the American Akita. Their intelligence allows them to learn quickly, but they can have a stubborn or dominant side. Positive reinforcement training works best. But establishing yourself as a calm, consistent pack leader is also key. American Akitas respond best to respectful but firm training. Harsh methods or physical punishment should never be used and can provoke aggressive reactions. With proper training and socialization, the American Akita can become a wonderfully obedient and devoted companion. But they are not necessarily the right breed for first-time dog owners due to their challenging traits. Luckily, the American Akita is generally a healthy, hardy breed with few major health issues. Still, there are a few conditions they can be prone to, including hip dysplasia, bloat, eyelid defects, and immune disorders. Reputable breeders will screen breeding dogs for these issues to reduce risk. And all American Akitas should undergo genetic testing for common inheritable conditions. Like all large breeds, the Akita is at risk for bloat. This life-threatening condition causes the stomach to twist. Owners should learn to spot signs of bloat and take precautions like slow, raised feeding. On average, the American Akita lifespan is 10 to 13 years, which is fairly typical for a breed their size. Providing excellent nutrition, exercise, and veterinary care can help ensure a long, healthy life. American Akitas should be fed high-quality dog food formulated for large breeds with at least 25% protein. This will help fuel their active lifestyle and maintain lean muscle mass. 3 to 4 cups of kibble per day divided into 2 meals is typical for an adult Akita, but amounts can vary based on age, build, and activity level. Proper prevention through diet, exercise, and vet care can help keep your American Akita happy and healthy for years to come. Adding an Akita puppy to your home is an exciting decision. Here are some tips for finding and raising an American Akita pup. Working with a responsible breeder is highly recommended when getting an Akita puppy. Reputable breeders will health test breeding dogs and provide detailed records. Ask to meet the puppy's parents to get a sense of temperament. Observe the environment where puppies are raised, which should be clean, enriching, and well supervised. Akita puppies are ready to join new homes between 8 to 12 weeks old once they've had initial vet care and are weaned from their mother. Raising an Akita puppy takes dedication. Early socialization is crucial to shape their behavior around other pets and strangers. Enroll in puppy obedience classes for important life skills training. Akita puppies should be fed a large breed puppy formula. Feed 3 scheduled meals per day and monitor growth to avoid overfeeding. Provide plenty of toys for chewing and puzzles for mental stimulation. Take puppies on varied socialization excursions to experience new sights and sounds. With consistent training, socialization, and care from a young age, Akita puppies can grow into well-adjusted, loving companions. Reach out to Akita Rescues if considering an adult dog. Are you still deciding if the American Akita is the right dog for you? Here are a few key considerations about Akita ownership. The Akita needs ample daily exercise and thrives with jobs or sports to participate in. They require a home with space for their large size. Their trainability makes them flexible, but they can be challenging for first-time dog owners to manage. Their tendency toward dog aggression takes an experienced owner. The Akita is eager to please and devoted to family, but more aloof and wary of strangers. They need proper socialization. Grooming needs are moderate, but the Akita is a year-round shedder. Be prepared for dog hair in your home. While protective, Akitas should never be aggressive without cause. Owners must reinforce good behavior. The Akita has strong instincts to guard, hunt, and chase. Manage properly in multi-pet homes. With their complex personality, the Akita is best suited for experienced owners able to provide structure, training, and purpose. If you're up for the rewarding challenge of owning this intelligent, loyal breed, an Akita can make for an outstanding companion. Reach out to Akita Rescues and Breeders to learn more. Well, that wraps up my overview on this eye-catching and captivating breed, the American Akita. I hope you enjoyed learning all about their origins, physical traits, temperament, health, exercise needs, and more. The Akita is truly a one-of-a-kind dog with their spirited personality, protective instincts, and complete devotion to family. While they require experienced ownership, they make for an unparalleled companion and guardian. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time with a brand new video all about our canine friends.